Y'all, I am so excited to show you what I found for this season at my Goodwill store. So I was in the local Goodwill and they had a cart that they rolled out with items that needed to be shelved. So these things had not been put out on the shelves yet, and I spotted this huge, awesome lantern. It opens on the top and you can decorate on the inside. Look how cute this is, you guys. I absolutely love this piece. Now, it was marked $7.99, but as you can see, it has a yellow tag, and I happened to be at Goodwill on the yellow tag day, so I got this item for only $4, and I was thrilled to find this. I love this galvanized top, but I'm going to paint the wood part white. And of course, I will be using Annie's Lone Chalk paint because I personally think it's the best, and I like the pure white. Goes on really easy and it distresses well. We're gonna be using a distress look. If you haven't watched my video yet on how to distress wood, I will link it here for you to take a look. Alright y'all, I am finished painting. It was quick and easy, and I purposely did it a little bit rough so it would be sort of rustic and beachy. But now I do have some cleanup to do because I had gotten a little bit of paint onto the glass. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use a razor, a straight razor, and just scrape off the excess paint, clean the outside of the windows really well, and then we'll move on to the next stage. I'm finished painting. I've cleaned up the outside, and I love the way this white looks. It's so much prettier. What I don't love though are the things that are inside this. The person before put some sort of like fake plants and then some kind of like berries, I guess, in there. Fortunately, this thing opens at the top, so we can take this stuff out and put some new things inside. Well, as it turns out, the little berry stuff that was inside here was actually really old, stinky potpourri. And so when I poured it out, it kind of had a strong smell to it. But I got rid of that, I got rid of the fake plants, and instead, we're gonna put in here some beach elements. We're gonna put this sand. This is just filler sand that you can put in vases or anything like that, but hopefully if you have a sandbox at home, you could get it for free. And then I am gonna be putting some seashells that my husband and I collected on our vacation in Florida a while back. And we'll put those in there, and a candle, and it's gonna be so pretty for summer evenings out here on the patio. Well, the project is finished. I painted the lantern and decorated it for summer. It was an easy little project and a great bargain at Goodwill. Thanks again to Hillary for hosting this challenge. It's always super fun. I love the way this turned out. It's like a beach inside of a lantern. So cute. I could definitely change it up for other seasons as well, so I'm excited to have this in my home or outside on my patio. Hope you guys have a happy summer. Please subscribe to my channel for more big ideas. See you next time. Bye.